26, Friday. Good morning, this is Gabriel Rosales. You're watching News TV5. Clear the Future community activity was implemented at Barangay Colgante. Every single day, the average person generates nearly 4 pounds of waste. Multiply that across our city and local landfills are reaching their limits. But changing that trajectory doesn't take a miracle. It starts right in your kitchen. Waste management comes down to 3 quick habits. First, cut down on single-use packaging. Second, rinse your recyclables. Food residue can also spoil an entire bin of paper or plastic. And third, separate your organic scraps. Composting keeps food waste out of landfills while creating nutrient-rich soil. A cleaner city starts with a single choice at the trash bin. Sort your waste today for a greener tomorrow. This is Gabriel Rosales reporting to keep our community informed and sustainable.